Okay, now I'm going to describe the grid numbering function. So I'm going to load the same 5 by 5 grid that we were using. Just double click it and it opens up. So I have it oriented so that it is in the center, and I can see all of the spots. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to scroll down to this pound sign that turns on grid numbering. So if I turn on the grid numbering, what we'll see is the pattern name and then the location. So we have this one. This is oriented. If we look at the direction, the pattern direction control, we'll see that the pattern direction is oriented in the vertical orientation. So we'll go 1 through 5 down, and then it will go back up to the top, 6 through 10, and so on. Now, to change that, if you would prefer to use the snake pattern, you can right click and then check point pattern or snake pattern, and now you'll see that the grid numbers have changed. So 1 through 5 is still the same, but now it goes directly across to 6, and now it does this up and down orientation for the snake path. This is important for 3D mapping. If you want to collect 3D grid maps by non-accumulating, using the non-accumulated setting in the experiment settings, then you'll need to use this snake path for 3D mapping. Now, also, you can change the orientation to horizontal. So I'm going to change the horizontal direction. Now you'll see that now we have 1 through 5 go across the top, and then we're still in the snake path orientation where now it will go down to 6 and then back across. Once again, you can right click and uncheck, and now we see that it's oriented to go left to right for all of the grid spots. And this works for line scans as well.